Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego dice. Can roll. So, yeah, it's like you're going to make like a little game that you want to play, and you need a dice to use it. Like a Lego game that you build, but you need a dice for it. Then just watch this video. Boom. So here's all the pieces that you need. Two of these pieces that has two holes. Two of them. It can be any color, but I just chose black. You need one of these top flat pieces. You don't have to choose this color, but that's what I chose. Then you need two of these green sparkly pieces. They'll have to be sparkly, but that's what I could find. But yeah, they have to be this color. Then last one is these red orange ones. They don't have to be plain. They can be sparkly, but they have to be orange. Okay, first step is that you get these two black ones. You place them on top of each other so they look like this. So they aren't facing each other like this way. They're actually facing different directions. Like that. And then, after that, the flat piece right here, you place it on top of it to make into this. And then, you grab your two green pieces, then you put it right next to each other on the dice. So, one, then two. So it looks like this. Then the two extra slots are for the orange pieces. So then you can place the orange pieces on those blank spaces. Then you got this. And then when you roll the dice, look what I got. I got right here, I got two greens, so that means I got a go. Then I rolled it. See right here, I got two oranges, so that means I couldn't go. So that's just a little dice that you can use. You can just play around with, or that you're using for a game. But that's pretty much all for today. Bye!